if you want to build up your web page and you want to take the list of your playlist quickly in the web page, okay, here is the JavaScript code that I'm going to use in order to build the static playlist based on URL of the YouTube. If you have a playlist of YouTube videos and you want to show your videos quickly in the web page on your website, here is how you can do it. Before you take the data, you need to take the data out of the playlist by using this. You can watch this video, how to extract YouTube videos title and URL. Then you should have the list in the CSV file. From this CSV file, now I'm going to proceed further. Copy. I'm using ChatGPT and copy pasted the data so that ChatGPT can take it. And now enter. And ChatGPT. Okay, if this happens, simply copy whole text, press the new, paste, enter. Now ChatGPT will generate the code which I need, and then I will use it in the code of the web page. Last one is KOAN74. KOAN74. So the data is complete. Copy, paste in the code, save it. Let's see. Now you see all the videos are on the web page quickly. This is how you can take the videos of your playlist quickly, instantly, and then paste and build up your website video list quickly. And upon clicking the link, the URL will take the user to the YouTube channel with the video. If you want to see the code, this is written in front of you, a script, and it is the whole code. You can write this